see anybody's and man, people are telling jokes here. I feel like I had to tell them. All right, so I went out the other day with the garbage, and there was this woman talking to her cat, and it was like obvious to me that she thought the cat could understand every word she was saying, you know. All right, so I went back inside and I told my dog about it. Man, we had such a good laugh. Anyway, this one is called Rainy Days. It's a song of mine. Squirrel climbing this little branch, squirrel doing this little dance. Don't need a hedgehog, don't need to be hedgehog to feel the ground. Rainy days are coming, rainy days are coming to town. Shingle on the roof, and turns to bushes, and kills the blue. Don't need no eagle, don't need to be an eagle to spot a frown. Rainy days are coming, rainy days are coming to town. He likes the juices, the lemonade. He likes the cruises down the Palisades. He's the one with the answer. His speech falls like broken rain. Rainy days are coming, rainy days are coming again. Little brat, squirrel doing this little dance. Don't need a hedgehog, don't need to be a hedgehog to feel the ground.